Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Photo Assist in Creative Studio for AI editing on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up a photo. And let's say you want to edit this photo right here. You want to remove some things or you want to just move them around. So what we're going to do is click on the pen icon on the bottom left, and then tap on the Galaxy AI icon, so this blue icon right here. And then we have a few options that we can play around with. So we have style, which allows us to change the style of the photo. And the two of the most important ones is the AI eraser and move. So for example, we can erase some features. So let's say I want to erase this part right here. All I have to do is just click on it, and it's going to select it. And now we click erase, and it's going to load, and it's going to process and just remove the little things. And as you can see, there's almost no trace of them. They're gone. So this is what it looked like before, this is what it looks like after. And the greatest part is that even the reflection is gone. As you can see on the little vase right here, the reflection is gone. So then we also have other options. We have the move option, so we can tap on the little things again, and we can drag them, and we can hold them and drag them somewhere else. So for example, right here. Now this won't really work as well because this isn't really a thing that you want to drag around because it's cropped, but I'm just going to show it as an example. We move it to a different spot, and it's going to fill in this space right here, and it's going to adjust this space right here so it looks better. So here, as you can see, it removed it from its original place and moved it right here and even filled in some blanks. And that is pretty much how this feature works. So once you're satisfied with the way the photo looks, all you have to do is just press save. So let me just erase this part again. And after it's done and you're satisfied with the way it looks, just press done and then click on save copy on the top right. And there we go. Now we have the original photo, and we have the edited photo. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.